Hey, there was a big issue lately where Binance didn't actually allow you to withdraw. Binance withdrawal suspended. There's a lot of information about it on Twitter, and let's talk about it right now. Before we start, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. It really helps out the channel. So the issue why Binance withdrawals were suspended was basically because there was a big backlog of withdrawals, especially after the dump we had on Sunday. A lot of people want to dump and remove their money from Binance. It seems because, and by the way, this is no financial advice, because we had a crash. I couldn't place a stop loss on my orders for over an hour at 6 a.m. my time. It should be 11 p.m. New York time, Saturday to Sunday. It was a big issue, and they've been having issues ever since. But as you can see, they always have withdrawals resumed after a while, and they basically have withdrawals halted due to different risk management policies that they have set up, or maintenance, or just a withdrawal backlog. Too many people withdrawing at the same time. So if you're experiencing this, just wait it out. Just wait an hour. Check Twitter. Twitter is your best friend when it comes to um, crypto trading, and you want to follow Binance, obviously. Also check at Binance if under latest you can see other people who have similar issues. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give me a like, and I want to see you next video. Bye.